There's a really easy way that you can actually get started publishing on Amazon. You don't have to write a children's book like I did. You don't have to write a huge book of thousands and thousands of words. You can actually make notebooks, planners, journals, literally anything that you can think of, and you can publish them on Amazon over and over and over again. So today I'm going to take you on a journey of how we're going to make a journal using pictures that we take from around our house. I'm going to take you on a little plant tour, and then we're going to take the pictures of our plants and turn them into products that we can sell not only on Amazon, but on Etsy, our own website, literally wherever we want. It's going to be a magical time. Let's go. If I had to describe myself in one word, it would be rainbows and plants. That's one word. Anyways, today, here's all my rainbows back here. So these are my rainbows. These are my canvases that at some point we're going to paint together. I'll take you on that journey, probably, maybe, if I remember. But we're going to go on a little plant tour today, and I'm going to show you some of my plants. We're going to take some pictures, and then we're going to turn those pictures into products. And I can't wait to show you the entire process of that. It's going to be so fun. Let's go. Took you guys on a tour of some of my plants downstairs, I had a great time. I hope you had a great time. What are we gonna do? We have all of these pictures of leaves now. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna show you, we're gonna turn these into products that we can then sell either on Amazon or on our own website, Etsy, wherever you wanna sell them. And I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. Okay, we are rolling. The hair is up and wild and crazy, which is just the way that I like it when I get into creative zone. I'm going to go over here to Book Bolt and I'm going to figure out what I'm going to make. I'm thinking I'm going to make a journal with all of these like leaf pictures that I took because I think that would look really cute. I would buy it. So, okay, we're going to go into Book Bolt. If you need a code for this, or you can set up a free trial account if you want to try it, it's in the description. Have a little percentage off code for you if you would like. Before I even get started, I want to go over here and I want to scope around and see, is anything selling that has like plants on it, journals? I'm sure journals sell because who doesn't love a good journal? Type in journal over here in the keyword situation, and we can scroll down and see, is anything trending right now? We can actually go over here to movers and shakers, and that's going to show us anything that's like moving up, moving and grooving. We can go there. But if I typed in journal, so you're going to see mother and son journal. That's adorable. Gratitude journals, 1 minute gratitude journals. This is going to give you an idea of what is selling right now. And the way that we know that things are selling is if we look right here, this is the bestseller rank. This is what is showing you where it falls in the world of Amazon books. Is it moving? Is it shaking? What are the estimated sales per month? 368 estimated sales, 368 estimated movie sales. Okay, so you get an idea of how to use this tool. So then I opened up my iPad and I opened up Procreate and I added in the photo that we took of that palm that had the rainbows in the background. My 2 layers, I have a colorful layer, and then the other layer I have the photo. I put the photo layer behind my colorful layer, and now I'm just going to erase. And I'm going to give you, you're going to see the outline of this plant. I'm going to speed this up for you so you don't get bored. So we're just erasing that colorful layer. Here's a preview of what that will look like. So the eraser lines are showing the white. And I kind of like it at a lower opacity. I originally was going to do it super bright, but I kind of like the light rainbow effect. Now we're back inside of Book Bolt Studio and we're going to start building out this journal. I'm just uploading my image that I just created in Procreate, and I'm going to fix it wherever I want it to look. And I thought it would look kind of cute if we did it down in the corner as kind of like a peekaboo plant. And I'm just going to copy that image, flip it over, reverse it here in a second so that we can get this blend line to match up. And I'm kind of looking at the preview up here so you can see up in the corner of the cover, you can see what that preview is going to look like. And I'm going to get this looking the way that I want. Now we have our full book cover preview, and I think it looks really cute. This is the back cover on the left side and the front cover on the right. I decided to just make it a lined notebook, and the way that I did that is I went to that little puzzle piece, and you can choose from any of these pages. They also have plants and lawn care pages that I could have put in there if I wanted it to specifically be a plant journal or a watering journal, a gardening journal, whatever I wanted to do. Now I'm going to download this PDF and head over to Amazon KDP and get it uploaded. Okay, so now we're going to go back over here to Book Bolt and we're going to look through our keywords. We're going to type in journal. We're going to type in anything that we can think of that would be a good keyword as far as how people are going to search and find our journals on Amazon. So if we say journal, this is going to give us a list of trending keywords. If you can see over here, all the things that we can add in as far as keywords, SEO words we can use. Look at this, tea journal, tea tasting journal. This is giving you a bunch of ideas of things that you can go and create as well that will trend well on Amazon. Okay, so I actually went in here and I typed in lined journal, and this is giving me some ideas as far as what's my title going to be. And I came across this one here, which says Creative Stitchers Notebook Vibrant Sewing Theme 6x9 Journal with 100 lined pages. So I can kind of mirror that title over here when I'm inside of Amazon KDP filling out my book title. So here's what I'm going to do. Let's go back here. I can also look at it on Amazon if I want to pull up the actual description and how they have their whole page laid out, which will come in handy because at some point I'm going to have to fill out my description here. And this is just the process. So I can go over here and I could even say Plant Lovers Notebook 7x10 with 100 7x10 inch lined with 100 pages for create. We could do something like that. We can put a subtitle if we want to. This series would be this is not really for a low content book, but if you were writing novels or something that had multiple series, edition number, you can put your author here. If anyone else is contributing to this, you're going to write your description here. You're going to say, I own this. I created it myself. Who is this for? We don't have any crazy images or anything on here. Where are we going? We're going to Amazon.com. Depending on what country you are in, you can fill this out. And then when we go to choose categories, BookBolt also helps you with literally everything that you need to fill this out. You can find KDP categories right here. So if I'm doing a journal, so I say journal, it's going to say different options of where, of what my categories could be. And I can use that to fill out this section. Keywords, we already went through this. We can put all of our keywords here. And then do we want to publish it right now? Do we want to publish it in a month? We're going to fill out all of our Amazon information. And then on our next page, we're going to go over here and it says paperback contents. Then when we downloaded our PDF from BookBolt, it gives you the manuscript in one file and the book cover in one file. So we're going to upload both of those here. Say it's not AI generated because I did it myself. You guys saw it. We're going to get a preview and then we're going to say save and continue. If you want to request a book proof, you can do that right here and they will send you one. It's pretty cheap to do that as well if you want to check it out before you go live on Amazon. And here's the preview. I'm going to edit these and I see a little line here, but this is a really good preview where you can prove it to, so you can find stuff like that you want to fix before you go live on Amazon. We can say approve or deny. If we want to deny it, then we can go back, we can upload a new file and go from there. I hope you had so much fun because I had so much fun. I will caution you that if you do this once, you're going to want to do it over and over and over again. You're welcome. Happy hobbying, happy crafting, happy whatever you decide to do with this information that you have now learned. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Amy Jo. I love creating digital and physical products and showing you how to do the same. If that sounds fun to you, grab my toolkit for free. It's at herownmagic.com/toolkit. And let's go. Let's make some stuff.